At PES Energize, we are committed to keeping our rural community connected. That's why we are seeking to expand our fiber broadband internet to our service area. What exactly is fiber broadband? What makes it better and faster? About 40 years ago, no one even knew what the internet was or what it did. Back then, copper wire was used to deliver telephone service and coaxial cable to deliver TV. But neither were designed to transmit data. In the mid-90s, when customers began demanding internet access, that's when companies first adapted both phone and cable networks to allow for internet access. With telephone, it was digital subscriber line or DSL. And with coaxial cable, the signal traveled on the cable DLS, and coaxial cables transmit data as a secondary function. Remember, they're built for phone and TV first. Fiber is designed for transmitting data. Fiber broadband is delivered through networks of fiber optic cables. These light pulses carry data faster and further than electricity over copper cables, and when used to provide fiber optic internet, offer the fastest internet speeds available today. So how does fiber outperform cable and copper phone lines? First, you need to understand data. Data is anything that is sent and received over the internet. Then there's bandwidth. When we talk about bandwidth, we're talking about how much data you can send and receive over the internet at any given time. Think of your internet speed or bandwidth as different sizes of water pipes. Faster speeds or higher bandwidth mean a bigger pipe and more water data can travel through at a time. Anything you send is an upload, sending pictures to the cloud or emailing a document. Anything you receive is a download, a show you're streaming, automated software updates on your devices. Anything sent to you when you're gaming or video conferencing, you're using both at the same time. Now is a good time to talk about symmetrical speeds versus asymmetrical speeds. Asymmetrical speeds mean that more data can travel one way than the other. In the case of cable and DSL, download speeds are faster and uploads are slower. With symmetrical speeds, the same amount of data can be uploaded as downloaded at the same time. Activities that you'll want symmetrical speeds for are things like online gaming, video chatting, telemedicine, or powering idle smart devices that are constantly sending and receiving data. So now that you know all the technical terms, it's easier to understand the difference between cable and fiber. Fiber does not limit the amount of data it can transfer. Today, its bandwidth can range from as little as 100 megabits per second to as much as 1 gig. Fiber signal does not deteriorate over distance as much as copper does. And fiber provides for symmetrical speeds where it's much harder to attain with copper or coaxial cable. We've almost gone as far as we can go with the capabilities of copper and coaxial for the internet. With fiber, this is just the beginning. We don't even know its full capabilities yet. The need for fiber is growing rapidly, and we're building it in our service areas as fast as resources allow. Learn more about fiber broadband at PESEnergize.com. We're more than power and internet. We are the community.